Naanak ko na ata yung magandang sword. Teka. Wala.
Welcome to Boys and Play Part 2 Dying Light. Let's go.
Yay.
Let's go.
Wah!
Ay! Let's go. Ba't parang rinig ko yung sarili ko?
Ha?
Narinig ko yung sarili ko.
Baka na naka-share screen ka, Pepsi.
Bike ko nga tayo eh. Naka-speaker ka ba?
Nope. Salita ka.
Ba't nga naman ako magpa-parker sa Bowbar?
Oo, no? Parang... Yan, salita ka nga. Nag-echo pa ba?
Low. Yan, di na.
Where are we going, bro?
Babalik tayo sa safe zone eh.
Alright. Oh, may safe zone dito. Kita mo yung red na mark? Na bahay? Puntahan natin yan. Oh! Tingit ka, Mikey. Likat mo!
Ba't ako ingat, Miguel?
Oh. Don't say my name like ever. May siya. Oh, yung ano? Care package. Hell yeah. Kunin mo yan. Portatin, boy.
Cream, I'm at the second antenna tower. And the fence is electrified. I think someone's inside.
Yo, saan ka punta, bro?
Alexei, and probably his son Christoph. I find them tiresome. Don't let them stand in your way. You've got to get inside and turn on the transmitter.
Bro, saan ka na, bro?
Teka, andito ako tumingin sa mapa.
Yo. Babalik tayo dito.
Deliver, drop check the second antenna. Bawal mag-parker pre, may kuryente.
Dito ka. Saan ka dito? Come on, man. Kinoy, man. Dito, man.
Sabi na sa likod eh. Sa likod? Ah, yun, nakita ko na.
What the
Ikaw.
fuck do you want?
Oh, what the fuck you want, bro? Oh, no. Bakit tayo?
Ito na naman tayo.
Di dyan, pre. Dito.
Di naman, ihayop ka eh.
Bro.
Di ako makaakit oh.
Wala ka? We're so fucking stupid.
Putang ina, ladder to ah. Ba't di pwede makaakit dito?
Babalik tayo sa cliff.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, man. Guys pala kaya nadi-disconnect tayo siguro dahil sa Epic Games niya.
Ito. Guys pala may kasalanan eh.
Oh, sim.
Yung epic game. Paano ko nakakaakit? Paano? Ah, ito pala yung sabi ni. May mali akong ginagawa eh.
Oh, say sorry to daddy.
Ayun, narinig ko. Fuck.
Oh. Oh?
Sorry.
Don't worry, he's half black.
I'm half African American.
Half Pinoy, half Philippines.
Wow, amazing.
Fight. Oh my god, napaka-iri. Bakit ka, boy? Trabaho mo
Sure
to.
hope this fucking climb was worth it.
One.
Wala kayo sa akin. Ilang.
Oh, wala ka talaga sa ano, balik. Ikaw. Where the fuck we going? Oh, di ka na.
Ito eh. Ah, dito nga.
You good? Hey, how the fuck you go up there?
gusto ko dito yung, yung climbing mechanism nila. Maganda. Yung animation. Ay, maganda yung animation. Oo, maganda, no? Maganda. Maganda yung animation. Alam ko.
Pati logic. Kaya mo pa umakyat? Kaya mo tuloy?
Ikaw.
Yeah. Flip mo na lang yung switch.
Yung
Bro.
hell no.
Flip the fucking switch, bro.
Hell no.
What the fuck you mean, hell no?
Ah!
Ah!
Ako dadaan dun, man. Ah, ito.
Dito na tayo, boy.
Gago. Gago, nakakatakot! Aray ko! Pre,
Bro, dito na
mamatay
tayo,
na ako,
bro.
mamatay na ako.
Hala, let me heal you.
I need some heal, bro.
And this thing's still intact. Let's see if it was worth the hassle.
See?
Hey, Kareem,
Putang
second
ina.
transmitter's up and running.
Ano naman
Is it
in-activate
working?
kung wala ako?
Kareem, do you
Baba ka,
hear me?
baliw.
Loud and clear. Nice
Ah,
job.
may chest
Not
dyan,
the way back,
something.
right?
Right.
May chest ata sa pinakataas niyan eh. Oo, diba? Tabi na nga ba? Good mood.
Ayop talaga. Saan ka?
Alright pa. Yo. Pababa na. Isa.
Boom!
Aray. Aray ko. Alright.
Alright.
Wait lang, heal kita. There we go po. Dito ang zipline, no? Kita mo to? Whee! Do not let go. Do not let go.
Let go ko. Gumagana naman eh.
Alright. Let's go. Where we going, bro? Dapat kinakompleto mo yung mga babahay dito na malapit eh. Mga safe house.
Wala namang malapit na bahay eh.
Ayun, sa likod natin.
Ito. Wala dito.
Sige, sundan kita.
Ah, ito yung mission pala. Ito yung mission. Follow me, May.
It was you, wasn't it?
Raheem?
The antennas. Brecken told me. Communication is crystal clear now. Good job, man. This helps everyone,
Damn!
but especially
Grabe ka ang partner boy ah.
They can hear each other
Dali-dali lang
without
mga
static for the first time
extra
since
ordinary.
whatever.
Kapag
See
may,
you back at the tower.
kapag may grappling patin, wag.
Puta, lupit.
Wala siya nagawa eh. Sabi niya, what the fuck? Big. Drop kick. May safe house dun, no? Nasa taas.
Grabe, ang lupit talaga mag-zipline, no?
Kaya mo makyat dito?
Si mano-mano. Wala akong zipline eh.
Alright.
Ay, wala akong grapple. Grappling hook ni Pathfinder.
Oh, gago. Gulat ako sa... Gulat ako sa agad. Safe. Alright. Baba na tayo. Ay, nakita mo yung basurahan? Ayun o. Yeet. Bro.
Uy, gago! Uy, what the hell?
What the fuck you doing, bro? Ay ko, nahulog.
Hey,
Ito.
Crane, if you got a second, I want to patch
Okay,
you through
chug,
somebody
chug,
who really wants to talk to you.
Ay, sa may kotse mo, yakit ka dito?
Who?
Is this Kyle Crane?
Who wants to know?
My name is Troy. I lead a small group of survivors over in Sector Zero. We call ourselves the Embers. Sector Zero is completely sealed off. Mr. Crane, until you restored radio communication, we didn't know if anyone else in the city was alive.
Oh, yo. Alright.
PPAP.
Ayun na, pre. Collect tayo mo na yung utang mo kay Rice.
Ito na.
Yeah.
Well, you not only did the job Karim asked of you, but you made it back in one piece. Bravo.
Can I get some antizin now?
Did you think I would be satisfied so easily? You still have plenty to prove.
Look,
Yeah.
we really need the drugs. Let me have them now,
Oh.
and then I'll come back and do whatever.
You'll get antazine when I say you get it, not 1 second before.
Bro, this
but
bitch ass, bro.
as I have established, I am not unreasonable. Do all that I ask of you, and I will give you not 1 but 2 crates of antazine.
Whoa!
All right, fine. What do you want me to do?
This will be different from your exploits on the antennas. It will require a bit more
Wait lang, boy.
persuasion.
Ilaw.
The
Yeah.
imposing of one's will, the creation. Do you live by your own rules, Crane? Or are you merely someone else's puppet? Leave, I know the answer. Talk to Karim before I decide you are no longer worth the trouble.
I'm back.
Tara. Sige sa likod.
Big- Yo, what the fuck?
You were the last minute.
Black Ninja.
Yeah.
Because you are
Which ones?
But bear in mind, not everyone
Japan?
will be in a cooperative
Ito.
state of mind.
Ito, what is
I'm
this?
sure you can be.
Bro,
Bibili ka sa
I'm broke,
akin.
man. I'm broke.
Pwede kita drop ng money, alam ko eh. Wait, hold on. How the fuck you drop cash?
Give me all your money.
Wait lang, where are we going, bro? Where are we going?
We need to leave. Kaya natin lumayan.
Alright.
Uy!
Oyo.
Binabaril doon sa balabas.
Sabi niya, fuck them.
Let's go. Hindi pa. Meron pa, ano, wala si Sir, ano, wait lang. I'ma finish what I started.
Run, bro. Marami yan. Try ko.
Bagal mo po, Marco. Ninja ka pa naman.
Just run, bro. Just run.
Dito tayo. Buti ganito yung zombie dito, hindi katulad sa, sa tawag dito. Sa Resident Evil, grabe na yung mga zombie dun, putik na yun.
Mas grabe pa dito.
Hindi yun, gago. Tinan mo naman mga
Ay, oo,
nag-iisip, nag-zombie.
Tapos, baka may ano pala yun? Baka parang tao na may powers eh, no?
Oo, mga tao na may powers yun, hindi naman zombie yun eh.
No, nagulat ako may nag-magnet.
Oo, tas dito, ang malala dito, mabilis. Ay, hindi mabaga. Ito yung parang realistic eh dito. Isa na naman, leopard din. Sobrang bilis.
Yep. Oh my god,
Ito
may big boy
Ito
boy.
realistic eh, parang realistic eh.
Yep.
Uy!
Aray!
Bro, ano man.
Safe zone, no? Oh, no.
Ang dami mong hila, paano ka nagkaroon ng daming hila dito?
Bro, duplication shit. Magagabi na, by the way.
Malapit na. May safe house in yun.
Alright. You're the boss. Kill nga ata, boy.
Thanks.
Come here. Cyberpunk Edge Runners.
Magkakaroon na ng Happy Meal. Happy Meal ata o meal.
Million? Wala pa.
Sana Happy Meal puta, pag Happy Meal yung bibili ko lahat yun.
The greed of this boy.
Ito safe zone pa lang. Pero dito tayo.
Dito?
Follow me. Tama. Diyan pala.
Tapos,
Teka, hindi. Hindi eh. Ang dami kasing, quartermaster eh.
Quartermaster.
Sino yung quartermaster dito?
For the colored
Ito.
smoke, it means air.
Paano mo malalaman yung mission ko, pre?
Yung kulay orange na parang bullseye.
Wala akong ganun eh.
Bro,
Oh, wala oh.
wala pati nga send mo sa akin.
Wait lang.
My bag.
Yo say orange, bro.
Have you seen a
My bag.
Valk?
Hindi, magagabi na pala.
Hanap muna tayo malapit na may safe zone ng bahay.
Hindi tayo pussy.
Bro, the fuck you mean?
Ayun na, may madadaanan tayo.
Yeah. Ano lang natin yan? Basta for safekeeping.
Ba't pa hinihingal ako agad?
Kasi takbo na takbo, bro. Dami oh. What the fuck?
Uy, wait lang. Ako na mag-activate. Ito,
Kiniklik ko.
may grapple ka kasi, kaya ang bilis mo eh.
Hindi, kiniklear ko lang, bro. Hell no. Paano ito napasok dito? Dito. Boy, nasa ka na. You ain't a puss, right? Get in. Gago. Meron pa eh. Sa taas?
Ito na, ito yun oh. Ito yun, inactivate ko yun eh.
So. Okay na. Yes! Saan na tayo?
Tulog.
Okay. Tabi tayo. Please. Kaya magka-crash to.
Ay, iba yung kamay mo nasa titi ko.
Okay, pinutin mo ulit. Yeah!
Let's go. Bakbakan.
Sige ba na. Skip it toilet. Where are we going? Grabe, hardcore ninja.
Otek.
Oy, may malapit na safe house, oh.
Ay, nantong, dugaw ka mag-zipline, pre.
It's part of the game, bro.
Huwag ka mag-grapple. Dugaan yun eh.
My bad.
That's not a ninja way, bro. Nakaka-disrespectful na sa mga ninja community ko.
mga ninja. Yo.
May ninja community. May ninja community.
Eh. Gusto mo activate?
Andito na tayo, eh.
Sige, akit ka na dyan. I'll activate it here. Aray to. Tangina mo.
Ang dahilan, ba't ako tingin sa OBS? Kasi, akala ko baka, sigurado ko hindi nagka-crash. Ini-explain ko lang sa chat.
Copy. Na-open mo na?
Teka, hindi ako makakit eh.
Bro.
Dito pala.
You turn it on. Bam. Ito yung pinakayo ko sa laro na to eh. Pangin ng mga ladder climbing shit.
Ay, yun nga maganda dito. Yung unique sa laro nito.
Ay, para mag-beat. Yes, realistic, pero I hate this shimmer.
To be honest, kapag na-try mo yung Cyberpunk, nai-inlove ka sa laro nga. Promise.
Kahit pinapanood ko lang yun, na-inlove na ako.
Hindi, mas maganda pa rin yung experience mo eh.
Omsi. Mura na nga nun eh. 1K na lang ata.
Oh, yun din. Ganun presyo ko din yung binili. Tapos yung DLC, ano? Ay, hindi. Ang ano yun, nag-sale yun ng 900 plus. Tapos yung DLC
Ba't
1K.
kasali?
Yung DLC 1K. Nag-sale din. Sale din yung DLC nun. Separate.
Gago shit. Ba't ang sobrang taas mo?
Ewan ko, bakit pa yun dito?
Go down, bro. Tapos na. Safe house secured.
Pre, patay ako?
How tough? Okay ako rin.
Oh, okay, yung na. Paano to?
Just.
What's up, Dave? We're back. Ah, let's go.
Where we going?
Let's follow. Putang nangyari sa'yo. Pag narinig ko
Okay.
talaga yung sarili ko.
Ha?
Sa mic mo.
Yo.
Anong hindi? Ako nga nakakarinig. Siyempre, di mo maririnig yun. Ano ba gamit? Wala ka bang binago?
Ito. As in, hagang niya yun?
Ba't naririnig ko sarili ko ganyan? Balik-balik eh.
I don't know, bro.
Ooh!
Not my problem. Not my problem, man. Try ko, patay ako.
Ako ito.
Help me.
Tapos mo ka revive kita.
May bad, bro.
Say my name.
Buhay mo na ako, bro. Uy! Aray ko. I got you, bro. Oh, chill, bro. It's dead. It's dead, bro. It's dead. It's dead.
Ayoko eh, bastos eh. Ay ano eh, nilikuran ako. Ayoko nun.
Ito na yung susunod na mission.
Hindi, ewan ko sana. Maganda mo, pumunta ako doon dahil maganda yung bridge eh.
Just discovering shit.
Joke lang, dito yung mission pa.
You sure it's here?
Sabi mo dito.
Oh? Bro, wag dyan. Prison yan. Oh, bro. You
Sabi
don't
mo
wanna go
dito,
there.
sabi mo dito eh. Sa wait eh.
Ma! No!
Boy, naka-record ka.
Hey, what?
Naka-record ka.
Okay.
Sinabi mo yun kaganina, sabi mo pumunta ako doon.
Ganun ba?
Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. Hindi ko alam saan ako
Kita
pupunta.
may minart to.
Oh.
Kaya puntahan mo yan.
Safe point, ano yun eh? Safe point yun eh. Safe house yun eh.
Oo nga, tapos may malapit na mission doon. Yung main mission yun eh.
6-7. Paano i-repair yung weapon?
Hold may R. Oh, ayun. Pasok mo sa taas. Don't be a pussy, Mikey. Lock this shit. Ha! Gagi sinaraduhan mo siya. Oo. Okay. Go up. Ano? Dito ba yun? Yo. Get over. Tapos, mamarkahan kayo susunod na mission. We go here.
Markaan mo. Saan?
Ayun, may markahan ko na.
Hindi, yan yung sinasabi mong puti eh, kaganini eh. Sigurado ka dyan?
Oh, yan.
Yan din yung
Contact
kaganini.
the-
Hindi, pinakita ko sa'yo kaganini eh. Kulay puti na ganyan eh.
Oh, basta yun. Run, boy, run. Wait, speed boost.
Huwag ka mag-zipline pre, madunga ang ani.
Gago. Sorry na. Bro, walang daanan dyan, bro.
Sabi mo?
Ano na?
Wala pala dito. Wala dito.
Oh, I died.
Nagawa mo, tayo nang yan. Tara, dito. Ganda, liwanag ng araw, puta.
Isip mo ba yung naka-RTX?
Ha?
1995 ba? Nako! So,
Halina't mag-ingay.
what the fuck?
Sige,
Okay,
lapate.
wait.
Ano yun?
Iyo. Try ko. Yeah, tingnan mo to, boy. Dropkick! Dropkick! Oh, baba. There we go.
Putay na yan.
Come on, bro.
Wala naman eh.
Ayun na. Kaya tawagan na natin.
Crane here.
Crane here.
Ba't kayo
Another job
natawag?
for Rice. And this one's pretty dirty. He's forcing me to collect the money he's extorting from a nearby village.
Ganito.
Yes.
Yeah, let me test you real quick.
What the hell? What the hell?
And now you're going to. What is
Galing,
this?
guys. Dropkick! Fuck no! Alright, free him.
Oh God! Thank you.
Yeah, whatever. Nag-fuck. Bala ka na.
Kareem, I'm by the wheel station.
Took you long enough? Get the job done and make it fast. This is just the first stop.
Ay, tama na.
Jafar, dito. Punta ka dito. Jafar, kailangan si Jafar.
Idle gain eh.
Uy.
Ito lang. Tama duman. Ad mo. Yo.
Tinan mo, ang ganda.
Okay. Yeah, damn!
You Jafar?
Who wants to know?
My name isn't important. What's important is that Rice sent me, and that you owe him some money.
I've never seen you before. For all I know, you're just some random asshole. Fuck off.
I'll tell you what. How about I break both your legs and drag you through the streets back to Rice's place, huh? And then he can explain to you that you should have cooperated.
Okay. Jesus. You are one of Rice's thugs. You guys are the only ones who'd act this shitty. Here's your money. Take it.
And if I have to come back here,
You won't get any more attitude. Mi casa, su casa.
Very
Just
good.
don't hurt me, alright?
Good boy.
Good little old nit.
Kareem, it's me. So I just threatened to break an old man's legs.
Dito tayo.
Next, you collect the tribute from the fisherman's village. Head east to the
Fisherman Village daw.
Their messenger always meets.
Puta, saan
Nakita mo na ba yung mark?
Wala nga nakalagay sa akin. Ewan ko bakit eh.
Teka lang.
Ah, yun
Hanapin
ito.
ko.
Pwede, track objective.
Yes.
Ayun oh. Ay, hindi.
Ayun, diretso lang oh. Wait lang ako lang mark.
Chill. Wala.
Ayun na. Ayun na, na-mark ko na. Ayun na yung main mission.
Saan?
Ayun na. Minark ko na. Sa likod mo.
Ba't ganun wala sa mapa ko? Ito.
Let's go. Oh. Puta, natatay ako ah. Mahuli pa ding.
Ano, mag-zipline ka na eh.
Yeah.
Crane, how you doing, mate?
I'm running errands for Rise. He wields a lot of power, scares a lot of people.
Damn right he does. Listen, mate, time's getting short. We're almost out of antizin. As much as I hate to admit it, I'm getting worried.
Look, I'm doing the best I can out here, Brecken.
I know. I understand. I just want you to be aware of the stakes.
I'm infected too, remember? Believe me, I'm motivated.
All right. Here's hoping you can make it back to the tower soon.
Wait lang. Tangina, nasira na yung airport ko.
Kagina pa nga si Rai sa akin eh.
Hindi mo na magagamit yan.
Ano ba, Ethan?
Hold on. Wait lang. Speaking of ayusin. Hindi, mamaya na. Pupunta muna tayo doon. Just go, bro. Just go. Dito ba yun? Ah, dito nga. Ay, hindi. Natatay sa may likod. Diba? Tawag sa'yo, hindi nagagana yun eh. Flicker. B-made boy. Let me touch you real quick.
Let's go.
No?
Saan? Ayun na, may marka dito.
Oo, dyan. Di dyan.
Sabi dito
Dito, boy. Dito, boy. Sa may entrance. Hurry up, man. Scared, man. Wait lang. Uy, gago, lockpick. Hold up. Wait lang, pre. May mga baril dito eh. Let me cook. Ayan, kunin mo na. Uy, no. Uy, no.
Inventory pool.
Okay na? Dito tayo lalat. Dito. Here, bro. I told you, bro, it's scary as fuck.
I'm not scared. I never
Yeah.
scared. Okay, minsan natatakot ako.
Yeah, it's good, bro. It's good. Dito, boy. Red door. Ready ah.
Dito muna tayo, Ethan, chill lang.
Alright. Wala na ata dyan eh. Ew.
Nope, hindi pwede siya
Nice out.
buksan. Hindi siya pwede buksan.
Okay, copy. Oh.
Weapon is broke, ayun. Bawal din.
Hindi pala... Hindi mo makalitin.
Gago!
Run!
Tatakbo lang?
Good.
Dali ka na, Kars.
Ang
Ka na.
mali, hindi ako makasali.
Bakit?
Hindi ka nakalagin sa...
Hey, Cream, I just saw something I've never seen before. This huge
Ginawa.
bloated infected just fucking
Ay, wait lang.
exploded.
Wait lang.